The key to converting strangers into paying customers is designing a positive customer experience throughout every single step of their journey with your brand. In this video, I'm going to share what a customer journey is, what a customer journey map is, and the 8-step framework that makes this process easy. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to be sharing 2 super invaluable resources that will help you with the mapping of your customer journey process, designing their experience with your brand, and how you can elevate your online confidence. Hi ladies, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany and I'm one of the creators of the CAF-Innate Academy. This is a digital, minimalist online learning platform and community for women entrepreneurs over 40. On this channel, we talk about and share the things every midlife entrepreneur needs to know to perk up their online confidence, create deep and meaningful connections without the overwhelm of the social media, and have inquiries pouring into your inbox on autopilot. Before we get to it, if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified when we post our next video. Okay, so what is a customer journey map? And how does it help you design an experience that turns strangers into customers? Before I jump in and tell you what a customer journey map is, let me give you an example that will explain the concept better. Let's meet Vanessa. She's a mum of 2 young kids. She runs her own business from home and manages the whole household. She cooks, she cleans, she does the school runs, you name it, she does it all. And she is sadly really close to burnout. She's drowning in the responsibilities, the washing is piling up, and she has no time for herself at all. She dreams of being the parent that is present with her children and has a social life and a successful business, but really finds herself lacking time and the energy and doesn't know how to ultimately get there. She also doesn't know what a coach is or how working with one can help her. So she Googles blog articles and watches videos on how to help her in the moment. So how to save time with everyday things such as cleaning, cooking, time blocking, food prep ideas, anything that will help her get more done within the small time frame that she has. And during her research, she comes across a blog or a video on a Coach for Mums website that gives her a meal plan for the week, including time-saving hacks and tips. She downloads the shopping checklist and she can use this the next time she goes shopping. And so by doing this, she joins the coach's email list for future helpful ideas. Now she has implemented this shopping list hack, this tip, and it's working for her, and she's starting to feel helpful because the quick wins have really helped her. She sees the coach now offering a free tailored life strategy session and jumps at the opportunity to see how she can be helped further. She goes ahead and she has the free session with the coach. She ends up with a plan and starts to really understand how the coach can help her get closer to her dream life. So she takes the leap and she signs up for 12 full sessions. And now Vanessa is finally making positive and, what's important, long-lasting changes in her life and is really excited to share what helped her with her friends and family who are struggling, who are where she used to be. Now this story represents the individual steps Vanessa took on her particular journey. And if you put yourself in your future customer's shoes and know the steps and rationale behind them, you can actually map out the whole process and focus on designing each step so it is effortless, logical, and seamless. And that is exactly what customer journey mapping is. Customer journey mapping is the process of identifying the individual steps that your customer will take on the way to their final destination, and then designing an experience that will make this journey easy and seamless. So how do you practically map out your customer journey? Well, here at the CAF-Innate Academy, we have created an 8-step framework to help you map this out. It starts with know who your customer is. Really get into the mind of your potential client. And to do that, you need to identify their why. So what are their current pain points, goals and desires, and then their future fears, dreams and aspirations. Because by understanding the circumstances of their journey and then breaking that journey into individual steps, you can then design the experience that will make their overall journey seamless. And this will help them progress through your brand interaction. You can then go on and design the actual experience. So how do they get to know you? How do they find you both online and offline? What will convince them that your brand is more suitable than a competitor's and like you? Then you can design the elements that will actually build the trust between you and your potential client. And choose what you could give them as a means of trying your brand out, be it a free call, a lead magnet, something that gets them a taste of what it's like to work with you. And then make the actual buying process, the actual signing up process easy and seamless. And then lastly, retain them and get them to a place where they easily and gladly refer, renew, or upgrade their relationship with you. If you want to build your online business and ensure your customers have a positive experience with you, then you need to understand their journey and weave their experience into your brand. Take the actual time to map out their journey and identify each of these steps, and then design the experience that takes them seamlessly from one step to the next. This is how you will turn your strangers into customers, and that is how you build a successful online business. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, here are the resources that will help you create a memorable and enjoyable customer experience and elevate your online confidence. The first is our upcoming Done With You workshops. These are 2-hour guided and interactive workshops that we are running throughout this entire year, created so that you can master the foundations of a successful content and inbox filling inquiry system without being slaves to social media. Contrary to pre-recorded masterclasses where you passively listen to a speaker drone on about the content, you're actually going to be doing the things that you are learning while you're in the workshop. This approach really cements the learnings and you walk away with actionable steps already implemented in your business. So check out our events calendar at cafinnate.com/workshop for a list of our upcoming topics and get yourself booked. The second is a free online quiz that will tell you your online confidence score. If you don't know where you are, then you don't know where to go. And that means in 2022 and beyond. So start by taking this 10-minute quiz and discover not only what your score is, but also where your online confidence levels are at the lowest and how to tackle them. Go to cafinnate.com/quiz. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below of an experience that you had with a brand that really stood out and made it memorable. It can be anything. I mean, it could be receiving a thoughtful thank you box from a business that you had bought from and then just going, wow, that's a really nice touch. I personally love creating those extra thoughtful touches. So I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Ba 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 ba.